What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike. We're back. It is December 27th, about 2 o'clock. My runners just hit their stop losses, so I'm officially out of every trade. 177 on the day. It was crazy. It was a crazy day. We went to war today. I mean, this was insane. So I went to war with SPY because can't go out like that. So I was down like 800 today. Which mine for the day is like 1,000. I lose 1,000, and then after that, all right, I need to come back tomorrow, regroup. So you can see it probably just wicked me out and go back. But anyways, yeah. So this morning, man, I was bearish last night, and then I was bullish this morning. So I looked again at the charts this morning, obviously, and then I saw this right here: accumulation, manipulation. So I thought there's going to be a distribution because I did have a line there. So I thought that it was just going to take that, go back up to at least pre-market highs, fill this gap, see what we do. That didn't happen. So I got this bullish candle right here, about 10 minutes, 15 minutes in the market open. Came back, retested my line. So this is where I entered calls and where I told the chat to enter calls. And then I put a stop loss, right here below the low of this bullish candle. So 596.50 was stop loss. Sure enough, got hit. I decided to stay in because why would I listen to myself? So I was like, all right, I did go light size because I did leave room to add for potential in case this happened. So then I saw this happen, right? Bounced off my other line. I think this was actually I did right here. So I was like, all right, cool. We didn't get a close below it, so this could just be the tap, order block, go back up, maybe take it to at least 596. So 94 to 96, still a good ratio. I'll take that. But got rejected, so now I just take my loss. So I'm out. I'm down like 700 right now, right? So then it comes back up. All right, I'm still waiting because I'm like, let's see, because this thing just wants to keep falling. So then it goes back down, and then we make this even low. So I'm like, all right, potential double bottom. So you be wanting your trade to work so bad that you ignore what's actually happening. This was not a double bottom. I mean, this wasn't even an order block right here. And then, this was a strong reject. This was a reject. So you could have even drew like a little zone if you wanted to from like here to here. But I didn't. So, yeah. So now I'm like, all right, cool. I get the calls. I get up to here. I thought we would break past it. So I trimmed here, right? I trimmed at equal highs. So it was a safe trim. And then stop out right here in case it did respect this little gap, but it didn't. Came all the way back down. So at this point, I'm like, all right, I was down 900. I just made back like 200. So now I'm down like 700, and this is gonna be my third trade. So my rule of thumb: take 3 trades. If you lose 3 trades, just regroup, watch the market, see what it does, come back the next day. So then came right back down to my 1 hour zone. And we got this rejection that we caught this whole trend right here. So that was my third trade. But it was way too long. I mean, it's already noon at this point, and the mental drain that goes on through here is just crazy. So I just did a trailing stop on these, and this just wicked me out. So that's why I'm done. I do expect it to go to 595 though. That would be my TP for the end of the day. It's already 2 o'clock. We'll see. So yeah, guys. I mean, all this gets called out in the chat. That's a little bit of the mindset that goes into trading and what I did today versus what I should have done. To be done earlier is I should have done as soon as this broke. And we got this bearish fair value gap. That should have been a clear indication to me. Hey, get out of that bullish mindset. We're going bearish today. And that's why it's important to not have your own bias coming into the market. Because if you have your own bias, you're going to be stuck like me. Now this was my final, this was my final one, so I would have lost today if this zone didn't work out because I was just adding to a losing trade essentially. But you should have saw this gap, waited for the retrace, could have grabbed puts here, probably would have sold here, right, and then could have re-entered. But that's still, I mean, from 595 to 592, you're talking that's a $3 move. So you'd be done for the day. That's all you need to catch, just a little boom, boom, done. So, but luckily we caught this. So I made back the 700. So I pretty much made back like 1,000 for the afternoon. But could have just been $1,000 day if I would have just been more patient since I was bullish. Wait till my zone, wait till I see an actual confirmation of an uptrend because we really got no confirmation. It was just in my head was the confirmation. So to make sure you guys don't do that, it's important. And any other questions, feel free to reach out. Make sure you like, you subscribe. I'm going to do this every day. I'm going to post all the gains in the chat. That'll be coming up here soon. Again, KSMtrading on Instagram. DM us. Let us know what you want to do. If you're brand new, that's what we're here for. These videos are just freebies to give you guys a little bit of the mindset that goes into trading. Alright, you guys have a good one. I'm out.